What's up, world? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create an Apex funded account and set it up. First things first, you want to make sure you go to Apex Funding. If you don't have an Apex funded account or you need to get a link, you can easily go to sqr.co/get Apex Funding. You'll see a capital G, capital A, capital F. It's right here. I also have this link in the description of this video so you can find it. And this is just using my link. We do receive credit if you guys do use our link. If you don't want to use our link, you can go to Apex Trader Funding direct and sign up. And the cool thing about it is right now you see this. This is why everybody's excited, because we have about 3 hours and 53 minutes left of this offer of 90% off. So everybody's going ham right now because we're signing up with this prop firm and we're getting 90% off our evaluation. So I know for somebody that's never heard of Apex, somebody that's never heard of prop firm, evaluation sounds foreign to you. So I'm going to dive in and break that down. So first things first, once you get to the website, you have many different options. Here you see the evaluation. If you click get started, of course, you really want to read over all of this information. You want to read why Apex Funding. I'll tell you just the basics of why I like Apex Funding, mainly because you receive 100% of the first withdrawal. So whatever you reach your target, you'll receive 100% of that up to 25,000. And then after that, you receive 90% on what you make. So unlike other prop firms where, they're doing 50-50 splits or 80-20 splits or 70-30, you have a full 100% of your first withdrawal, but then you also have a 90% withdrawal that you keep. So 90% for you, 10% for Apex. You also get 2 payments per month. Whereas most companies, they pay you out once a month or whenever they get it. This, you can have 2 withdrawals. I believe it's the 1st and the 15th, and you can qualify in as little as 7 days. Now, the main reason why I'm here is because you get to trade full-size contracts, not brokers, not non-regulated brokers where you're trading with these broker accounts where you don't even really know if your money is being used or if they're really ever going to pay you out, or the prop firms where you pass and then they never pay you out because your money was never really being traded. This is the official platform. You are actually going to be compensated when you hit your targets here. There's no daily drawdowns. You can trade on the holidays. We tested this out. It was just Thanksgiving. We were trading on Thanksgiving. You can trade your normal day-to-day strategy or system during the news. There's no total cap on maximum payout. There's a 1-step evaluation process, which is just simple. You hit the goal and then they will fund you. You also have access to real-time data. Now, this is the biggest part, because I don't know if a lot of you know it, and I didn't know this in my first few years of trading, but a lot of these brokers or a lot of places with prop firms that you're using, they don't even have real-time data. Their data is delayed. They're getting it from somewhere else, right? So it's like second-party, third-party data. Some of them say they're A-book regulated. Most of them are B-book regulated, which means, that here you get real-time data. So you're getting the information as it's coming. And then there's simple risk management rules, and you can trade with multiple accounts up to 20 max. So you're not limited to just one account with this platform. I myself have actually 2 right now. So I went over the benefits. There it is, minimum trading days. You actually even have a trailing threshold, which means you never have to worry about daily drawdown. You can monitor this live right in the software. And you can trade any day, 23 hours a day. Maximum position size. Feel free to trade up to the maximum position size. They'll never let you over leverage. It'll cap you out at your position. It'll never let you trade more than it's available. You can also trade during the news, and again, it's just one simple step. So the most part that I think people get confused on is which type of account to choose. Now, I won't tell you which type to choose, because to each his own. Everybody has their own strategy. Everybody has their own preference. Everybody has their own platforms they like to trade on. The cool thing about Apex is it gives you options. So right here, first you're going to see what they call rhythmic ninja trader plans. So these are 8 options that you can trade using the rhythmic and ninja trader. And then they also have options for a Tradovate ninja. Now, I'm just going to say flat out, that's the one I use, is Tradovate. And I use Tradovate because it connects with Tradingview. So I'll go into details on that a little bit later on in this. So let's keep on scrolling. All right, first you're seeing all of the options. You can get a 25K account right now for $147 a month, 50K account for $167, a 75K for $187, 100K, 150K, up to 250K. Actually, it goes all the way up to 300K you can get on what is called a rhythmic account. Now, here's what you'll definitely want to make sure you pay attention to, because again, like I explained earlier, this is using contracts. So we're not talking pips or anything like that. So each plan has a designated amount of contracts you are allowed to trade, right? It gives you a certain amount of contracts, and then it also gives you your goal, which most prop firms, they want to see you grow 10%, right? That's usually across the line. That's what everybody's looking for. But these plans have their own profit goals. So you get your contracts, you get your profit goals, you even have your trailing threshold, which is the amount you're allowed to trail, and then there's no daily drawdown, so you don't have to worry about that. Scaling none, and then it also comes with a Ninja Trader license. It's a $75 value, and it also comes with real-time data fees. It's all included. So right here, you're seeing multiple accounts you can choose from. Now, I do get people that ask about the static account. Now, it's got to be 100% transparent. We haven't used the static accounts to even tell you what it does or how it works. But I'm sure it's definitely something for the people that need to use it. So this is something you may want to look into if you're thinking about trading static. The cool thing about the evaluation is you can do a reset anytime you want. There's no limit. If you think your account's starting to go the wrong way, you can pay $80, or right now there is half off for the evaluation. So if you do fail, you can start over as many times as you want. I'll say it again. You can start over as many times as you want. And then once you are paid and you have a funded account, it's just $85 per account per month. You get account maximums. It includes data, and there's one-time fees available for you after you pass the evaluation. So after you pass your evaluation, which is this month right here, which you're paying monthly, you'll then get the option to go ahead and become a funded trader. So then you will need to make a payment to be a funded trader for that funded account. Now, again, don't get if you're watching this right now, you guys can get 90% off this monthly like we did. So we actually, and this is the rhythmic, the ones that we used was Tradovate, and we actually got 100K accounts. So we selected this one right here, and what you're seeing, it's $227 a month right here. So let me just break down why we use Tradovate. Tradovate, we use this one mainly because you see right here, Tradingview compatible. It works on Tradingview. It works on Tradingview. It also works in your browser. It also works on your mobile phone. It also works on your Mac. And it also works on your Tradovate account. If you have the app Tradovate, you can use that. And it includes the Tradovate license. And you can also use Ninja Trader if you want to, and it includes the real-time data. So to each his own, you choose whichever account makes sense to you. Again, we're using this because we like to use Tradingview. That's where a lot of our indicator tools are. And then once you choose your account, you go ahead and select it. Now, for those that are curious about what you can trade with Apex Funding, just scroll down here to see the instruments you can trade, and it'll show you the equity futures. You'll see the interest rate futures. You'll see the currency futures. You'll see the agricultural futures, the energy futures, the micro futures, and the cryptocurrency. Yes, there's even cryptocurrency. So essentially everything you thought to trade, or you've been trading in the spot market, Forex with your prop firm, you can come over here and trade with Apex. So it breaks down the symbol, it breaks down the exchange, it breaks down the tick size and the point value. So all of the information is pretty transparent. And then here you'll also see just some more information about the company if you need to. So once you select your account, you should be taken to a page like this where it says your payment has been successfully processed. You'll get an order reference number, a transaction, date and time payment, and then you'll see this right here. So I literally just did this so we can show you guys how to set it up. So here is the 100K account we got, and you'll see that it was $227, but we were able to get the 90% off. So it was just $22 for the first month, and then $45 a month for a 100K account, valuation account. So once you purchase the account, you'll receive a few emails. Now, I will say this. It may feel a little tricky, right? It may seem a little complicated. So you definitely want to read the emails. You want to go in, and when you receive the emails, read them. Because once you get the emails, it will take you to where you would sign a contract with Apex. And I've already did that, so it won't prompt me to do that again. And then once I do that, I'm able to see all of this here. So just for the sake of time, I won't go into the back office and dashboard. They have tons of videos that walk you through all of this right here, where you can learn about your profile, You can set out your payout method. You can request your payout. You can see your account summary. You can flatten accounts. Important information. Here's some tools and resources, the code of conduct and required training. And if you want to be an affiliate of Apex, which I highly suggest everybody does, if you open an account, you're probably going to tell people about it, especially if you create results. So come in here to the affiliate info side. Here's where you can grab some links and banners. You can make sure you update your payout method for the affiliate side. You can track your payouts. And if you haven't done so already, you can become an affiliate right here by clicking this link. It'll take you to sign up as an affiliate. Now, if you use NinjaTrader setup here, you would go here for the Tradovate access. Here's the FAQ for a bunch of facts and questions. And if you have any support tickets, the help desk option is right here. You click here to send your support ticket. Tradovate, this is the one we're going to be looking into now. Now here's Rhythmic and Rhythmic add-ons. If you guys chose the Rhythmic side, but we're doing Tradovate. So if you wanted to sign up for another account, you can do so right here in the back office. It also breaks down the details. But one thing I want to highlight out the gate is the add-ons, because in order to trade on Tradingview, you're going to need to add it on. You're going to need to add that on. And then you're also going to want to add on the data. There's an actual, I think it's like $12 a month where you add current data, so that way you're getting the information as it comes. And really that's it. You know, once you select the add-ons and you go ahead and choose your Tradingview so you can start trading on Tradingview, you'll be able to log in with this information. So let me go ahead and go into the Tradovate account, because that's where we have to do that. So let's pause this and then I'll see you in the next one. To get started, you want to make sure you are in your back office, and you go ahead and click on Dashboard, and Dashboard will bring up the information you need for Tradingview about your Tradovate account. You'll see your subscription. On the right hand side, you'll see Tradovate. You'll see your username, and if you click Show Password, it'll show your password, so you copy that, and that's what you're going to use when you log into Tradingview using the Tradovate account. Now, before you even log into Tradingview, and before you get started trading, you need to definitely go through all of this right here. The Tradovate launch information is powerful. It's a video right here, 14-minute video that breaks everything down. It gives you a walkthrough, and there was the affiliate program if you haven't done so already. If you're somebody that used NinjaTrader or RTrader, the Rhythmic, you can download the platforms right here, and you can read in here market order flow. Now here's even some free trading education rooms, tools, and training for your first 30 days. And here's a way to connect. If you're using NinjaTrader, you can trade multiple accounts with one click. This right here is improving your trading psychology. I like this because it's some good information about mastering yourself. It's a good hour and a half, like the holy grail of trading. You can watch this right here. Some good tools, good information about trading from people that already had success in the market. So it's definitely great to learn from people that are doing what you're trying to do, what you plan to do. And then if you need to test your computer to make sure it's fast enough, you can click this link right here and it'll test your system. But after you've went through everything, the main key right here is Tradovate. You click on this button, and all of this, you should read all this. Make sure you can log into your account. And if you sign up on a weekday between 5 and 6, the account will be activated by 6 p.m. If you sign up after 5, Friday through 6 p.m. Sunday, the account will be activated on 6 p.m. Sunday. So make sure that, if you do create an account, you do it early in the day so you got enough time for it to get set up for you. And then how to get started. You can click here to set up Tradovate and NinjaTrader if you're using NinjaTrader. I'm going to scroll down. Again, you want to make sure you read all of this information. It gives you your username. And then here, again, it's if you don't understand how the live trailing drawdown works already, watch it on a YouTube video. So if you're somebody that has no idea what the Tradingview, the trailing drawdown is about, you can click this link right here. The 12-minute mark will break it down and tell you exactly what it's about. Trading platforms you can use. If you want to learn what platforms you can use, you can click this link right here to take you. And if you want to add commissions to the NinjaTrader, you'll watch this video right here. Now, be sure to select the lifetime template. So what are the rules for evaluation count? If you've never traded a prop firm, it's essential that you learn the rules for the evaluation account. You definitely want to know what you're doing. And you click this button right here, it'll take you to the rules where you can see the account rules. meet the profit goals without hitting the max drawdown listed. Make sure to fully understand the trailing threshold drawdown. You click this link right here. Trade for a minimum of 7 days. Now, you don't have to trade 7 days in a row. You just have to be a member of a minimum of 7 calendar days. And then if you need to learn about the code of conduct, that's right here for you. And this is a big one. Do not let someone else trade your account. Do not share your username and password. If they find out, which they will, because they track your IP address, they will shut your account down. So make sure you're trading for yourself, by yourself on your account. If somebody wants to do the same, you make sure they use your affiliate link so they can do it. Now here below, you'll see the evaluation account guidelines. All of that information is very important. Now, for the sake of time, I won't go into all of the guidelines, all of the information. Everything is pretty much right there in black and white for you. And if you need to reset an account, here's the link for that. Technical issues and closing trades, choosing the proper account, converting to a PA paid performance funded account after qualifying. If you want to know what happens after you qualify, here's where you'll go to understand that. Once activated, how does a funded paid performance account work? So if you're trying to figure out what happens after you pass the evaluation, click this link right here. And then once you successfully grow the account, you want to know how payouts work. Click this link right here to break it down. Error, only admins can place trades. What does this mean? So if you have an error, only the admins can place a trade, and that pops up, you may want to click here to understand what that means. And this button right here, I forgot to use the coupon code. What can I do? I've never clicked that because we always make sure we use the coupon code. But if you do forget to use the coupon code and you signed up and you're watching this video, click this link right here and it'll break it down. So I think that does it for what we were looking for Tradovate and what we expected it to do. The next part is basically just to make sure that you have the updated data, which I'll show you in the next video, and make sure you have your Tradingview add-on so you can actually connect Tradovate to Tradingview. So in the next video, I'll be doing that. So once you verified your information and you've signed that contract that you got in the email, you can simply just in your dashboard, click on dashboard, and it will take you here. So you will see both of your accounts, or not both of your accounts, you will see your account. You can easily reset it here. You can always cancel your accounts if that was your goal as well. But more importantly, the information that you're going to need to use inside Tradingview is right here on the right hand side. You'll see Tradovate account, you'll see the username, and then your password, which you'll click show password, and you'll copy that, because that's what you're going to use when you go into Tradingview, and you're going to select, actually let me just go ahead and do it real quick. I want to do it, I want to show you. So go here, you go down to, I'm already logged in, so let me see if I can log out to log in. Yeah, nah, that won't work. All right, so of the emails that you receive, you're going to receive 3 of them. You'll get your Tradovate account is set up for Apex Traded Funding, which will be this one. Your Tradovate account is being activated, so you'll receive this one first. And if you haven't done so, this is the first time with Apex, you'll want to click this link right here and sign that non-professional and other documents that I mentioned earlier. And if you do not complete this step first, you'll also be charged over $300 a month for the data. So you definitely want to make sure you sign off on this. And please don't submit a help ticket for the data not being live until after 90 minutes of you signing the agreement and it's expired. So once you sign this, you have to give it an hour and a half before things start to work. So below you'll see your account info. The part that I was speaking on for Tradingview, you can click right here for connection guides for trading Usavate. And then right here, it breaks everything down for you. The Tradingview subscription must be renewed monthly if requirements are meant to use the service free of charge. So what I'd like to make sure everybody understands is that Tradingview has its own fee, right, to use to connect it. I believe it is $12 a month or something like that. So let's find that, and we're going to go into Tradovate. First, you got to log into your Tradovate account, and we're going to do so right now. All right, so now we're on the Tradovate platform, and here's where you will enter your Tradovate information that you got from Apex. So I already have mine saved. That was, if you guys need to see it again, it's you click dashboard, look on the right hand side, Tradovate user, show password, copy that, and then in the email you'll receive you saw that it said right here, trader.tradovate. You signed your document. Now I'm running Tradovate. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to enter my username and password. I'm going to click log in. And then it's going to show you simulation. So don't be afraid. If you've used Tradovate before and you saw live or anything like that, if you're using Apex, it will say simulation. So go ahead and click launch. And then you will see the account you're in, active. You are now set up with Tradovate. So you should see your equity up here. Again, this is an account that I already have this existing, but you'll see your new balance of your new account showing up there. What you'll want to do to make sure you can connect to Tradingview and get that market data that I was saying is super important is click on the right hand side. Now, before I even say that, you can actually trade right in Tradingview. You don't even have to go, I'm sorry, you can trade in Tradovate. You don't even have to use Tradingview. This right here is good enough to go. You can use this platform right here. You can enter and exit trades literally right here. But because we use a lot of our own indicators in Tradingview, I like to trade in Tradingview. So what you'll do is on the right hand side, you see this application settings. It looks like 3 lines with like some bars. Click on that and then scroll over. Here's everything you'll see. You can see your subscription, you can see your profile, you'll see all your information, but we want to click on add-ons. And you can see right here that I've paid for it, so it's activated. You may need to just click on activate or pay the $12.95. I believe that's what it is to use Tradingview. And this enables Tradingview to access your Tradovate account, both live and simulated. So this is the most important part if you want to use Tradingview. So click here, activate it, and then give it some time. And then with that same Tradovate information, you'll be able to now log in on Tradingview and use your account. So as you guys can see in real time, here's an account. You see the balance up there, and then you scroll over here, you see the balance right here. So we are active inside Tradingview using it. One part I forgot to add that I wanted to add in here, because you heard me mention it, about the market data. Now, once you're in Tradovate and you come on to add-ons and you add the Tradingview, you'll want to make sure that you're getting real-time market data. Now, Apex does provide real-time data, but you want the CME bundle, top of book level 1. So this is that extra data that I'm paying for right now. It's $12 a month right here, and you can update your subscription. You can add this to your subscription like I did, and from there you'll have the CME top of book level 1. So definitely, if you're trading Tradingview, you definitely want to make sure you have the CME bundle, and this is $12 a month. So you are paying a few dollars extra for some things, but honestly, it pays for itself, especially when you're talking about data and time and getting data in real time. So I wanted to make sure I added this on because I know some people were asking, well, where do we get that real-time data? And it's right here inside Tradovate, and it's under subscriptions. And you would sign up here, and you can update it, change your information. You can cancel it whenever you want, but you definitely want to make sure you have that top of book level 1 market data from CME if you're trading instruments like NASDAQ, which we're trading. So I wanted to put that in there. So when you get your Tradingview account, Tradovate account, you want to make sure you add Tradingview, and you want to make sure you add that CME bundle top of book level 1 data. So very simple, man. And once you're in Tradingview, you can literally treat it just like a normal trade. You click trade, and let's say I want to enter the trade here. Let me minimize this. The cool thing about Tradingview is there's 2 different ways you can trade. You can create a new order by, hold on, let's see, let me get to a right symbol that I can actually trade. Yeah, we can do that one. Let's do the minis just in case. And then let's bring up trade. And right here, there's 2 ways to trade on Tradingview. Now, I like using this way, right, the orders, because you can literally come in here and choose your price, choose your units, how much you want to risk. You can insert a take profit and stop loss, which I highly suggest everybody does, and you can do so by price, ticks, percentages, or dollar amount. So Some of us are like, you'll see my price set up here. I'm looking for 1 to 3s. So I already have mine set up for 1 to 3s on no matter what I'm trading, right? Um, to each his own. Again, here you got market, you got limits, you got stops, you got stop limits, or you can do market executions. Another way that people trade is by hitting this DOM up here. And same way you saw on Tradovate, you can come in here and click this to insert a sell limit. So when price gets here, you'll be selling. If I was over here, it would be a buy limit. So if price dropped down here, I'd be buying. So you could buy and sell straight from this order book, which is a lot of ways that people trade futures right now. Is they use the order book to do so. So this is why we're excited, because here we are in Tradingview. Here we are able to trade our prop firm accounts, real prop firm accounts, right? And we're able to use the tools that we use on a daily basis to grow. So you guys see I got some of our trade hybrid tools up there to kind of help us out with the confluences. So done in the days of using MT4, MT5 to try to get this thing going, you can do it right inside your Tradingview. Now, again, once you sign up under Tradovate for it, which I'll go back into add-ons, you have to give it some time and it should pop up. There also are a few other things you can see in here, like free indicators that, not to say you'll need it, but if you're looking for volume or relative volume, you can use this free indicator. If you are a group trader, allows traders who trade multiple accounts, you can use this right here. This is for Tradovate. And if you're somebody who wants to trade straight off the API, which I know people are using Trade Locker, you can do this right now to where it can connect to your Trade Locker account and you can trade on Trade Locker with Tradovate. And then here's Order Flow Plus, allows you to see detailed volume and market depth information. I should activate that. Actually, let me just click that. Activate, just because. View every tick of a selected contract, including timestamps with milliseconds. Let's go ahead and click on that too. So you get options here, and just gives you a little bit more confluence when you're making your trade. So this is why everybody is pumped. This is why we're all excited, because now we're able to trade our accounts on Tradingview. And once we pass the evaluations, now we're able to trade live. I hope this video was informative. If you're looking for a more detailed breakdown of Tradovate, of Apex, I highly suggest you go through all the information they have here. Apex done a great job of breaking down Tradovate, breaking down Tradingview, and how it all can be used. I hope this video was informative, and I'll see you guys at the top because the bottom is way too crowded.